The Airmen Certification Standard, or in short ACS, is one of the most important documents when discussed on checkride preparations. According to the FAA, the ACS provides pilots, instructors, and evaluators with a single source set of clear logical standards that tells them what they need to know, consider, and do to qualify and pass both the knowledge and practical tests for airman certification and ratings. What it essentially saying is that you as a student are exposed to the checkride outline going to be performed by the examiner on the checkride. Knowing how to use this tool and understand the expectation will minimize the surprises on the test and increase your chances to pass. Each license or rating has a unique ACS. Let's see how to find the one for us. On the FAA.gov website, go to the Training and Testing tab. After that, click on the testing link on the bottom left side. Then go to Airmen Certification Standards and pick the Private Pilot Airplane Airmen Certification Standards. Let's go to the table of content to see what's inside. The ACS consists of areas of operation arranged in a logical sequence, beginning with pre-flight preparation and ending with post-flight procedures. Each area of operation includes tasks appropriate to that area of operation. Each task begins with an objective stating what the applicant should know, consider, or do. The ACS then lists the aeronautical knowledge, risk management, and skills element relevant to the specific task, along with the condition and standards for acceptable performance. The ACS uses the terms will and must to convey mandatory information. The term may denotes items that are recommended but not required. The references for each task indicate the source material for task elements. The abbreviation within parentheses immediately following a task refers to the category and/or class of airplane appropriate to the task. For example, ASEL refers to Airplane Single Engine Land. ASES refers to Airplane Single Engine Sea. AMEL refers to Airplane Multi-Engine Land. AMES refers to Airplane Multi-Engine Sea. Examiners do not expect you to perform perfectly, and they understand the pressure of the test and real-life conditions. If we will go to the areas of operation related to flight, you will find on the skills portion the amount of inaccuracy allowed in the test for a specific maneuver. This allows you to judge if you are performing within the expected checkride limitation.